Okay, kids, let's go. Yay! I packed all my bags.
Is everyone ready?
I'll get the baby.
When does our train go?
Darren, can you check?
It's at 7 a.m. Okay. Ooh, look! There's a coffee shop. Can we get some? No! You're addicted to coffee. I'm not kidding, but she's actually right. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, you are. Yes, you are. I'm not kidding, but she's actually right. Okay. I'm not for the last time, okay? Okay, look. I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna not go get coffee. Look at me. I can't get coffee, right? So, don't let me get coffee. Oh my God, they have boba. Never mind, we can go. Oh, yes. Why did you do that? I'm gonna tell you. Sorry. Look at these boxes. You can take in stuff onto the plane. How cool. Okay. There's no boba. Oh, man. Okay. Yay, a boba. Actually this one. Hi, can I please have a latte? Here. Oh, thank you so much. I'll just have a pumpkin spice latte. Yeah, go ahead. Alright. Thank you so much for shopping here. Bye. Hey, look, Anastasia, do you want your, what's it called? What do you want? You want it, like, taken off? Yeah, I would love it. Look, so we are tip-top tops, and we are on time, 21.28. Alright, now let me take my picture. Can you hold my boba, please? Here. Okay, guys, come on, let's look. Please, don't even look. Got it. 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's kind of cool. I don't like it anymore, because it's kind of boring, but yeah. Boba, coca. Okay. Oh my God, look. There's our boarding tickets. Oh, look, we can get more train tickets. Okay, perfect. Let's get our train tickets. We only need one more. And another one. And 2 more. 2. Okay, here's our train tickets. Let me put them on the little cart that we got. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 5 people, right? Yep. 2 adults. 3 children. We got it. All right, come on, you guys. Yep, let's go. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited. Okay, we're going on a trip in our favorite. No, but Anastasia, no. Yay, we're going. I'm so excited. We're going to see Grandpa and Grandma. I know, you're so happy. Oh, whoops. The ticket man's coming, so we have to stay right here. Okay, yes, I would like your tickets, please. Okay. Here you go. Here you go. Go. And that's all. Okay, have a great trip, and yeah, just have a great trip. Okay, bye. Alright, here we go. I'm so excited. Come on, we have an extra special room. Ooh, how cool. Okay, let's set our stuff up. And the cart, well, let's see. Where does the cart go? No, how about right here? Okay, now, oh, I can put it up here. Okay, perfect. There's the cart, and there's his, no, it's mine, Mom. I mean, Dad. Okay. Here. It is nighttime, so, oh, wait, it's daytime. I forgot. Okay. So, yeah, it's daytime. Let's go ahead and just set our stuff away, and then we can relax and get to in the train. Okay, guys? Okay, Mom. Okay, so I can't sleep anywhere. But okay, come on. Here. Alright. Now, where is the captain? Let's see. Let's find him. Here I am. Alright, let's go. Whee. Okay. Oh my god, we're so late. Wait a minute. Oh, if we just made it, we could have missed our train. That would have been crazy, wouldn't it? Alright. Oh, look, I can read this. Hey, Matilda, did you want to do this crossword? Yeah, sure, Mom and Dad, but, like, after I take my nice nap. Let's see. Now, this is a nice train, and I'm conducting... Ooh, nice. Okay. Wait a minute, Mama. Yes, honey, isn't the dolls in the twins' bags? Oh, yeah, you can go ahead and grab one. Go ahead. Let's get one for you. Oh, look, it's the sun setting. Oh, it's nighttime now, guys. Okay, come on. Let's go to bed now. Oh, I can't fit. No. Okay, I will just sleep in the other room. What else? Okay, this goes up here. Okay. Oh, hi. Well, I like your outfit. Yeah, I like yours too. It's like a little cloudy. It's nice. What's your name? My name is Laura. Oh, Laura. Nice name. I'm Macy. Nice to meet you, Macy. I love that name. I've always wanted to name one of my kids that, but can't. That's my son and my daughter. Right here. Help me, I'm dying. No, you're not. My son is right there wearing the cloud stuff. Hi. Next to his best friend. Hi. And yeah, they're best friends. And his other best friend, hi, is right here. So yeah, they're all best friends. Isn't that cool? Yeah, it's so cool. I love this. Where are you going? To Top Tops, of course. We're gonna meet my parents. Oh, how nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, so what are you doing? I don't know. Listen, I have to go back to my room now, so yeah. Okay, bye. Bye. So glad we can afford a room. The next day. Attention, everybody. The train has now stopped. Thank you for being on the train, and we are here in TikTok Talks, and have fun and have a great trip. Thank you for riding with us. It was a great ride. Hope you had enjoyed it, and bye. Okay, get everything, you guys. Get your boba. Oops, okay. So, we need to come back. Okay, here. Okay, we have all our stuff now. Come on. We almost forgot. Come on. I almost forgot to, Dad. Let me get it real quick. tickets. Pull up the parents. Alright, we're here and let's go see my parents. I love your parents. Your parents are so nice. Oh my goodness. Hi, Mom and Dad. Hi, honey. Oh, you're so nice. I missed you so much. Hi. Oh, hi, Dad. You are so short today. Oh, no, maybe not. But hi, Dad. Okay. I'm still waiting for my daughter. Wait, Mom, you have a daughter? Yes. Oh. Yeah, you have a little, you kind of have a little, but not biological, but half-sister. Well, not biological, but yeah, just stepsister. Let's see. We're waiting for her too. Oh, come on. It's us. Oh my goodness. Hi, Mom. Hi, stepdad. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Wow, you're actually my sister? Yeah, I'm her daughter. No, I'm his daughter. Oh, I didn't know we were sisters. Okay, well, come on, let's go to the cabin. Okay, you're in the same cabin. Okay, come on, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I enjoyed making it, and I hope you enjoyed.